Hi everyone, this is attorney Doug Dern. Hey, today I just got out of court. I'm a little, you know how that goes. Today we're going to talk about the 341. Now, what the heck is a 341? That's a meeting of creditors in bankruptcy. We call it 341 because the bankruptcy code refers to section 341 in the bankruptcy code as the rules that govern this 341 meeting. Now, the court notice and the laymen call it the meeting of creditors. And that's what it's technically called, the 341 meeting of creditors. So when you file for a bankruptcy, either a 7 or a 13, you have this meeting of creditors or 341 meeting. And what happens mainly at this is you're asked questions. You have to verify your photo ID and your social security card. They verify your social security number, matches the petitions, the photo ID, matches the person at the hearing. Well, currently they're doing them over the phone, which the attorney sends in an affidavit verifying that's who the person is. But after coronavirus and things get back to normal, the photo ID will be verified in court. Also, certain documents, pay stubs, taxes, bank statements will all have been reviewed by the trustee. Now, this is not in front of a bankruptcy judge. This is actually in front of a trustee who is your hearing officer. In a Chapter 7, it'll be the Chapter 7 trustee themselves. In a Chapter 13, sometimes the staff attorney for the trustee does them. Sometimes a paralegal does them. But the trustee themselves always oversee what's going on. They're generally very short. They verify your ID. They verify your social security card. They ask you to verify your signature on the bankruptcy paperwork. And then they'll ask you any questions like about assets or things they don't understand in your bankruptcy petition, schedules, statements of financial affairs, and that kind of things. And they may ask you how you determine value of real estate, and they may ask you to provide additional documents. But most of the time, these are pretty laid back, informal procedures. A lot of people get nervous about them and think, oh my God, I got to go to court. I got to go to federal court. Well, yeah, it's something to be taken very seriously, but it's very informal, and generally, if everything's done properly and you fully disclosed everything and you've been very honest about everything and your attorney's done a good job, you're in and out in a few seconds. Seriously, it's that quick. And you know, you do one for a Chapter 7 and you do one for a 13. At Chapter 7, that's usually your final step before you go awaiting discharge. Chapter 13 is a little different because you have another hearing, a confirmation hearing after that. But in a nutshell, that's what a 341 meeting of creditors is. If you have any questions, call me 248-882-0838. Thank you.